Vice President of India Jagdeep Dhankhar on Wednesday laid the foundation stone for the Meghalaya Skill and Innovation Hub and launched the CM Business Catalyst Student B Plan Challenge in collaboration with IIM Shillong. He also witnessed the signing of an MOU between the UNDP and the Government of Meghalaya for promoting entrepreneurship. In his address, the Vice President highlighted the significance of laying the foundation for the Meghalaya Skill and Innovation Hub, calling it a transformative step that would be a boon for the youth addressing their growing needs. Governor of Meghalaya C.H. Vijay Shankar spoke about the state's tourism potential and development initiatives. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma delivered a detailed PowerPoint presentation showcasing the state's development progress.
Is a significant contributor to India's unity, economic progress, cultural assets. And it is because of this policy of the present government that when I attended ASEAN for the first time as Vice President, there was a keen interest in several countries of that region. I was rectifying. When I talked about the impact we are having, I can tell you, things are right in right frame, in right mood. But some of us, out of ignorance, out of being ill-informed, do not appreciate what a nation is. A nation is not divisible as to who has how many roads, how many dams, how many airports. We are one whole. This is our identity. It's an identity that has survived in spite of the nation having been assaulted from outside on a number of occasions in last several hundred years.